In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a replica Fendi Baguette bag. I've been eyeing this bag for over a year now, but I just can't get myself to spend the kind of money that it's worth. It is over $3 grand, and I've asked hubby to get it for me, but he said no. So I found this seller on Instagram, and some of my friends have purchased from her before, and the bags look so legit. So I was like, you know what? Let's just get a dupe and see how it is. It was $250, which is still kind of pricey, but compared to over $3 grand, I felt like it was worth it. So I am hoping that it looks legit, and it came yesterday, and it's taken everything in me not to open it. I really want to open it up, but I thought I would share with you guys me opening it on camera. If you guys are interested in where I got this bag, then I will leave my Instagram handle in the description box. Throw me a DM and I will share with you guys the seller's Instagram profile, because I know a lot of them don't like their names blasted all over the internet, because I don't even think they're allowed to sell bags like this, but they still do. And she not only sells bags, but she sells designer dupe clothes and shoes and all this good stuff. So I'm really hoping this one looks good. If not, I'm stuck with her. I'll still use it. So I'm gonna get right into it because I cannot wait to open this. So let's open this baby up. That's really cute. It came with this Fendi bag. So here is the box that it comes in. It feels pretty good, not cheap. Inside, a little Fendi envelope. Here is the dust bag. Ooh, she looks really cute. So much packaging. Even the paper has Fendi on it, so that's pretty cool. So here it is. Let me open up the strap. There's two straps, a top handle. Oh, and the quality feels really nice. And there's plastics on all of the hardware. I'll take that off in a second. So here is the crossbody strap, and it also has plastic along the hardware. So let me take all this plastic off. I'm gonna attach the straps. All right. Okay, so here she is. This is the Fendi Baguette. You guys, the quality is so good. Like, the gold hardware is just impressing me so much. It does smell really bad, like gasoline almost, which is weird, but I will air it out, so hopefully it doesn't smell like that. But the gold hardware, like I said, is really impressing me. It's not like cheap looking whatsoever. The only thing is that I do have to go look at the real one, is that I think that the crossbody strap is a lot longer in the real one. I might be wrong, but I think it's so cute. It's got the top handle and then it also has the crossbody strap. I will show you guys some up close shots of it. And the inside. Let me see if my camera will pick up the hardware on it. It's just really, really nice. So I am really happy with this bag, with this purchase, and I feel like it was well worth the $250 compared to over $3 grand. So I just can't get myself to spend that much on a bag, you guys. And the only designer bags that I don't mind spending money on, but I've never spent that much money, is Louis Vuitton. I'm like a Louis Vuitton snob, I guess, but I don't know. I'm really happy with this purchase. It looks so legit. I almost want to go to Fendi and like look at the real one to compare it, because I don't have anything Fendi to really compare it with. Just everything is so well made. I just opened up the little zipper part, and even the material on the inside says Fendi, so that is really cool. I wonder what the tag says. The tag even says Fendi, and it has a serial number on it, which we all know it's not real, so it's all good. And yeah, I'm really loving it. Like down to even the little magnet part right here, it says Fendi on it, so I'm impressed. And like I said, if you guys are interested in this bag or the seller, I will leave my Instagram handle down below. Just throw me a DM and I will share her profile with you. She's pretty good with DMing prices, more pictures, different options. She did have another one that was cheaper. I believe she said it was $200 instead of $250, but she said the $250 is better quality, so I went with the $250 one. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies. You guys know that TikTok? Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know, but you guys.